Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again frying some chicken. Skinless, boneless chicken breast with flour and black pepper. Large cast iron skillet. Another large cast iron skillet with fried potatoes, cabbage, sauteed onions, and vegetable oil added to potatoes with the skins on. Sliced them up with the skins on. Vegetable oil, cabbage, onion, fried cabbage and potatoes, fried chicken breast. When the chicken gets done, I'm going to add sweet baby rays, sweet and spicy. Potatoes, cabbage, onion, large cast iron on a hot plate. Fried chicken breast. Starting to stick a little. Chicken breast. Going to add some sweet baby rays again, as I said already, and let it simmer. Cover these with aluminum foil, as I had them covered with aluminum foil before I started the video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Little large pan here, large skillet here, 8-inch, 10-inch, large, 10-inch, 4-inch deep large, cast iron cooking. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Truck camping, camping and fishing, camp cooking, talking on amateur radio. I'll be doing something. Please click like on the video. I'd appreciate that. Y'all have a good day out there now. See ya.